Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hubitat for Z-Wave sensor integrations, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the IP address of your Hubitat hub. Press the enter key to load the Hubitat login page. You will see a login screen prompting you for your credentials. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure the information you entered is correct. Click on the Login button to access your Hubitat dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Device section on the left sidebar. Look for the Add Device button at the top right corner of the page. Click on Add Device to start integrating your Z-Wave sensors. Select Z-Wave from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Z-Wave sensor into pairing mode. Make sure your Z-Wave sensor is powered on and in range of the Hubitat hub. The Hubitat will search for nearby Z-Wave devices. Once your sensor is detected, select it from the list of found devices. Click on Add Device to complete the integration process. You can now configure the settings for your newly added Z-Wave sensor. Customize any preferences according to your home automation needs. Finally, confirm that your Z-Wave sensor is functioning properly through the dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Hubitat and integrated your Z-Wave sensors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.